Right, now we'll move on to the intermediate level. Just now I forgot to mention that this symbol right here, circle and a dash, is known as phi, which is also known as an empty set, to represent an empty set. Okay, now to move on to an intermediate question. So Q is equals to X is such that X is a perfect square between 5 and 9. R is also equals to X is such that X is a positive integer less than 5 that is both a perfect cube and perfect square. Okay, they say list the element of Q and R. So, okay, now we look at element Q. So, is element Q, does element Q have perfect square between 5 and 9? Not, to my knowledge. So, if you've forgotten, perfect square is known as when you square a number. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So there's none of these numbers inside. So as you know, Q, there's no element in Q. So R. Okay, R is also asking for a positive integer less than 5. There's both a perfect cube and square. So let's try to find. So perfect cube is also 1 cube, 2 cube. Yeah, so 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is your 8. Okay, 8 is a bit too high, so it's only have one element, which is 1. Okay, on to question 2. Are R and Q, element R and Q empty sets? Okay, so as I was mentioning, the question part, intermediate level, part 2. Are Q and R empty sets? Use phi to describe. As I mentioned earlier, this phi is equals to an empty set. So are there any elements in Q? No, I don't think so. So Q is equals to your phi. But in R, there is an element, which is 1. So it's not equals to your phi.